Hey content creators, if you're into photography, videography, or just want to level up your selfies, I've got something you'll want to check out. Today we're diving into the NEEWER magnetic RGB video light. This compact yet powerful light is a game changer. Imagine 360-degree full color coverage thanks to 61 high quality LEDs. It's perfect for any lighting setup you can dream up. But what really makes it stand out? The RGB capabilities. With a color temperature range from 2500K to 8500K, you can switch from a cozy sunset glow to a bright daylight tone in seconds. Plus, there are over 20 scene modes to instantly create different atmospheres. Whether you're shooting a moody scene or adding some dramatic flair, it's got you covered. Now, let's talk about that magnetic back. This feature is a lifesaver. Easily attach it to any metal surface, giving you more flexibility with your setups. And with 3 cold shoe mounts, you can connect multiple lights or other accessories. Versatility at its finest. Another highlight, the CRI 97 Plus rating. This ensures that the colors in your photos and videos appear natural and true to life. And the built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, perfect for on-the-go shoots, providing ample power to last through your sessions. Whether you're a content creator, a photographer, or just someone who wants better lighting for video calls, the NEEWER magnetic RGB video light is an essential piece of gear. It's portable, powerful, and packed with features that give you full control over your lighting. Ready to take your lighting to the next level? Order your NEEWER magnetic RGB video light now using the link in the description. Don't miss out on this must-have tool for all your creative projects. Catch you in the next one.